So here we have the 2012 and 2013 Carrier Performance Series heat pumps running in cool mode right now. The serial number on the 2012 is 4212E10784. The model number is 25HCC536A300. Now the serial number on the 2013 is, and this one just shut off. Alright, on 2013 which just shut off. The serial number is 0213E03950. Model number is 25HCC524A300. Now the 2012 is the only one running, but the 2013 just shut off. But isn't really too much here. They're just both Carriers. We placed in Amana, and this one doesn't look like it's. They don't exactly, apparently aren't the best installs. And hang on. And yeah, one of the units isn't exactly level. This one isn't level. The 2012 isn't level, but the 2013 is. But yeah. Hey. Yeah. So the 2013 is the one that's not running. The 2012 is the one that's running. So the 2012 and the 2013 Carrier Performance Series heat pumps, and the 2012 is running. Over and out.